Red Hot Patriot speaking. This is the initiation of Sister Wolf into the wolf pack. Going from Emma Whitworth to Sister Wolf, this is her moment to shine. On the count of 3, she'll light the match, light the sparkler, and howl at the top of her lungs. And when she finishes, she will be Sister Wolf. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, matches?
Take it.
I need to wait till it colors.
We'll try lighting it again. Light another match.
Are you supposed to take that paper off?
Does this mean her journey as a wolf will fail? Does this mean she'll die and be
Never.
eaten by others? She'll try again.
I will fight.
She's a fighter. I like that. There you go. There you go. Sister Wolf, take it. Louder. Climb up on the wall. Keep howling. Feel it in your heart.
It's getting really low.
Now dance. It won't burn you.
I won't dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present Sister Wolf.